i-share ito.
Pagpasok mo pala.
Wala pa daw. Sige na, go! Okay! Sir and Mrs. Bernardo Sahor! With dance. Ayan. Share with us their happiness for this very important part of their lives. Lord, we ask you to bless this food. May all this food bring more nourishment to our community. Ayan. Okay. Love and unity. Ayan, malabakan po natin. Mr. and Mrs. Sahor.
Pagkatapos, uwi na kami Ayan, papakyut muna tayo dyan bago uuwi kasi mahinihintay pa kami si Ate Marisa kasi nakisakay kami sa kanilang van. Oo na. Maganda na yung kalsada natin dito.